Hello and welcome on the mat. Here is a very short 10-minute basic stretching sequence that you can practice before your yoga session or your gymming or cardio, HIT, whatever you guys do for workout. Beginning with neck exercises first, we will move our neck up and down in sync with our breath. Exhale, bend forward, inhale, rise back up. When you bend forward, try to bring your chin on your chest, back straight, leg muscles relaxed. And make sure that your arm and shoulder muscles are not tight either. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and come back to neutral. Now we'll move it from right to left. Move your neck towards the right. Take long and deep breaths here. Come back to neutral. Now inhale and take your neck to the left. Feel your muscles stretch below your right ear here. Slow and comfortable breaths. And slowly come back to neutral. Now we'll bend our neck right and left. Exhale, bend your neck towards the right. Feel the muscles underneath your left ear pulling up, stretching out. Inhale, come back to neutral. And exhale, bend your neck to the left. Now you will feel the tension building up underneath your right ear. Slowly inhale and come back to neutral again. Now we'll do neck rotations. Exhale, bend forward and move your neck in rotations. Be very soft and gentle with your neck. Three rotations on one side and three rotations anti-clockwise. Finish the circle and come back to neutral. Coming to shoulder rotations, extend your arms forward and place your palms on your shoulder. Bring your elbows together and make large circles with your elbows in the air. Feel your shoulders opening up, your underarms opening up, side body flexing up. Keep your neck relaxed, your waist, leg muscles relaxed. Rotate your elbows clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 to 5 times each side. It is very important to flex the shoulders to be able to work out properly. Exhale and relax now. Inhale, raise your hands up towards the sky. Now bring your right hand down on the mat and bend your body such that you're facing the sky from the left side. Your left hand comes as close to your ear as possible. Try to rotate your torso towards the sky. Switching sides, inhale, both hands up towards the sky and bring your left hand on the mat. Right hand close to your ear and look up towards the sky from your right side. Try to twist your torso towards the sky and make sure your right hip is not lifting off the mat. Now exhale and straighten your body up, both hands towards the sky. And now rotate your body from the right side. Place your right hand behind your glute and your left hand comes on your right knee. Straighten your back and try to look over your right shoulder. Both your hips really glued to the mat. Come forward, hands in the sky again and switching sides. Take your left hand behind your glute, right hand comes to the left knee and look over your left shoulder. Feel the twist in your waist. Inhale, come back to neutral, arms in the air again. And now hold your left wrist with your right hand and bend your body towards the right side such that you're looking towards the sky from the left hand. Feel a deep stretch in your left side body. Make sure your hips are on the mat. Come back to neutral and switch sides. Hold your right wrist with your left hand and bend your body towards the left side such that you're looking towards the sky from the right side. Feel the deep right side body stretch. Long and deep breaths. Come back to neutral again. Now hold both your elbows. Bend your elbows and hold your elbows. And make pulsing bending on both sides. This one deeply stretches your side body, flexes your entire torso muscles. Exhale and come back to neutral. Your arms and shoulders will really be fired up by now. And now we'll flex up our pelvic muscles by doing cobbler's pose, butterfly stretch, Baddha Konasana. Bring both your heels close to your sacrum and we'll do butterfly flips here. I'll be counting 100 flips. Your back should be really straight, neck and shoulder muscles loose. Hold your toes with both your hands and try to bring the knees as close to the mat as possible as you take the flips. Long and deep breaths to keep you calm. The more flexed your joints are, the better it is for you to exercise. Come to a still and slowly hinge at the hips and bend forward. Try to keep your spine as straight as possible, and if it is available to you, try to bring your head or your nose close to your toes. Inhale, rise back up. And now we'll come to tabletop or all fours. Hips over knees, shoulders over wrists. Untuck your toes, top of your feet on the mat. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your hips and shoulders up. Cow stretch, and exhale, suck your belly in and come to cat stretch. Tailbone tucks in. Inhale, come to cow stretch, head up, hips up. And exhale to cat pose, belly sucks in, tailbone down, head down. Inhale to cow stretch. And exhale to cat. 2 more rounds to go. Inhale, cow, belly drops. Exhale, cat, belly sucks in. And finally, cow stretch, look up. And cat stretch, look down, core tight. Come back to neutral. Now stretch your right leg behind for an Achilles stretch. Place your toes on the mat and your right heel is in the air, and pulsate your body so that the back of your leg gets flexed. Switching sides, extend your left leg and pulsate your body. Exhale completely, come back to Vajrasana. Hips over heels, back straight. Take long and relaxing breaths here. Now slowly bring your feet to the front. Extend your legs in the front. Dandasana, keep your legs as straight as possible, knees tight. And now we'll do some leg flexion. Pull your toes towards you. Your knees should be really tight, kneecaps pulled up. Feel the deep stretch in the back of your leg muscles. Now curl your toes and slowly point your toes in the front. Push your toes away from your body. Again, inhale, toes up, long and deep breaths. Pull your toes towards your torso and exhale, toes go away. Again, inhale, toes up, one last time, and exhale, toes go away. Now make circles with your toes, first clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Try to spread your toes as wide as possible. Now bring your body forward, come to Malasana squat. Hips off the mat, knees folded, back straight. You can place a towel or a folded mat underneath your hips. And now we'll come to the final stretch called rag doll. Come to forward fold or Uttanasana. Just hold your elbows and relax your body completely. You're all set up for your workout session now. Thank you for sharing your practice.